Up, yeah. It's Breezy back at it again. Yesterday I said price was gonna drop. Yet we did drop hard, but price continued to the upside. I'm on my H1 right now. No, I'm actually analyzing live right now. But yeah, this is what I'm on. As we see the previous resistance, whereby now it's support that we created, we see that price seem to be respecting that zone. We see that but yesterday I thought that price was gonna drop hard, and yes, we did. As you see, this candle melted. As you see, this candle we did drop hard, but as we know that in every impulse we have a correction. So meaning this wasn't the drop; it was kind of a fake out, because after that massive break, as we see on a smaller time frame, as we can see for ourselves, that on a bigger time frame, on a smaller time frame, we see that price was weak right there, and yet price melted. So yeah, that's how it is. But jumping to GJ just opened Leona. I'm just trying to show you like a strategy, breakout, you know. So it's just you versus you. It's you, just gotta put in the work, back test your strategy, make sure that it works. Because 9 times out of 10, people think that you need different types of strategies to be like a best trader. But no, I feel like you just gotta fix your mindset. You gotta stay to yourself. You just gotta be dedicated, bro. Like, you just gotta work, because hard work pays off. At the same time, it's not easy, because if it was easy, everybody was gonna do it. Like, seriously, everybody was gonna do it if it was easy. But we're the ones that don't sleep. We put in the work, and one day it is gonna pay off for sure. Cause we want the Lambos, we want the AMGs, we want our families to live good. That's what we're working for. The goal is not money, the goal is financial freedom. But back to the markets, I just want to show you all a strategy. I know London session is not active yet, but I just want to show you all a strategy, So this is the pound versus the dollar. So yeah, strategy wise, guys, supply resistance. As long as you know that in every impulse there's a correction, cause people tend to cram the market or like guess, and that doesn't work, trust me. Cause like what you saw yesterday doesn't mean you have to see today. Like, trust me, trading is all about what the market gives you, not what you make from the market. No, it's not that. Because, like, trust me, there's days where there's no setups. Trust me, there's days where there's no setups. But continuing, I see that, what I'm on. Here I see that we created support. And we see that, after creating that support right there, price broke, and yet price came to retest. After that retest, we had that subsequent candle, which is right there. We had that subsequent candle. So obviously price is showing us what's happening right there. Price is showing us what's up. But you just gotta treat the markets for what they are. People out here trying to do their own thing. No, just focus, put in the work. Yes, it's not easy, but if you keep going, you'll be the greatest on God. And then we are on the H4. We did use our support to mark. We see that price is retesting, because after that rejection we had a subsequent candle. So we go back to a even bigger time frame, not like the biggest, but a bigger time frame, which is the H1 in this case. And then on the H1, we see what we saw on the H4, that hey, price is really retesting, because after that drop, price pushed up, whereby we never broke that resistance. We just kept on hitting it, whereby subsequent candle, and now we broke. I don't know if y'all understand me, because to me, going to a smaller time frame, whereby the 15, I see that hey, we have some kind of support right here. That's what I'm on. We have some kind of support right here. That's what I'm on. That's what I see. So now seeing that and knowing that the pound really respects those zones, you know, that's what I know, that the pound really respects those zones. So when London session kicks in, we know what we're on. And again, follow your plan, stick to the plan. Everything else go fall in place. You know that you trade on London session or New York session, yet it's not your session, and yet you still take trades. Why? After losing, you say you should have listened to yourself. It makes no sense. Why do something when you know you're gonna regret it? Follow your plan and stick to it. Everything will fall in place. So yeah, you know. So this is what we want. That's me just analyzing GBPUSD. I see that we have support, like just a simple analysis, like being honest. We are on the 15-minute. Just a simple one, like I'm just being honest, bro. I'm just being honest. Because again, we see that right here, we do have support right there. We do have support right there. So how would you see price? This is how we would see it, right? Like this is how we would see it. So in this case, you trade what you see. So we see that hey, price kept on rejecting, price cannot go down. Every time we hit that support, price rejects. That's what we see. That's what we on. Every time we hit that support, price doesn't go down, but yet it fakes and then subsequent candle, and then it continues its previous way, because we see price hit, it came back up, it hit, it came back up, it hit, it came back up. What do you expect? Price to hit and come back up again. And what happened exactly? So you see, just trade the markets for what they are. And like in this case, it's also a setup, because like in this way, this is how we will work on it. This is how we would work on it, because like, you know, breakout. Let's go to an even smaller time frame. Let's jump to the 5-minute time frame. I want to put y'all on game. In this case, we see that we got major support. That's what we see. We get major support, because price rejected hard. We're still rejecting now. It shows that hey, price cannot break. Even this massive candle couldn't break support. So now price, the candle melted. It shows that price is weak. Subsequent candle, which is bullish. So what do I mean now saying we're scaling on a smaller time frame? This is what I mean. We find our setups on the bigger time frame, but yet we execute on a smaller time frame, because you know, smaller time frames, the more candlesticks, you know. What I mean is more points. That's what I'm on. So on a 5-minute, you know, breakout, this is a simple strategy. So here obviously we got our resistance, whereby it is our breakout. That's where we want price to break. On That's where we want price to break. Hold on, bro. This is not straight, right? Bro, this is not straight. Yeah, now it is. So yeah, that's what I'm on. Let's go to the 15. So now you see clearly. So now you see clearly. So now you see what I'm on. We broke, and obviously up there we have a resistance, whereby you can tell again that we hit, we rejected, we hit, we rejected. And what do you expect, to hit it and reject again? You see, so like trading, just gotta put in the work. I hope y'all understand and see,